Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another game at Rivers Airsoft. Today primarily we'll be defending the prison and just at all costs keeping the other team from pushing up to it. Today we're using our custom Mk18 with our N7 Milsim engine. If you want the specs for that gun or any other things like that, you can pick it up down in my description. If you guys enjoy this video, please consider subscribing as it helps me out a lot. It's totally free to you. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy.
In front of prison, because if we don't get in front of prison, they just get to bust and then they take prison.
I'll be behind you guys a little bit.
Want money?
3, 2, 1.
Yeah. Hey Brian, I got one dead ahead of me. Brian, watch that side. All right, here, hold here. I'm gonna move up and around. Oh. I'm by prison, all the way ahead of prison by the like intersection of the roads, holding off people.
I'm out.
I got one of the kids from you're out of what?
Family.
Already?
I killed like 5 people.
Get out, get out, get out. No, not that way. They're all that way. Go back. Retreat, retreat, retreat. They're out there. Where? All right, keep it up, keep it up. I got at least one. Oh, I got that kid. Oh my god, what a snipe! Oh my god!
This here is Rivers Airsoft. Check them out in my description.
Give me them toes, Magnum! Hey dude, move, 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 move! Yeah, Magnum! Give me your toes, boy! Dude, move your flag. Please move your flag. Oh, I got him?
Hey, look, there you are. What are we doing?
Oh, come on. Got cracked.
They're a prison bus, they taking Dead Man's Ridge.
Shit, are they shooting from?
What's the move?
Oh god. Guys, we have to hold this.
Don't peek right side. Whoa! That was close.
Oh, okay. Hey, you can't peek this side, there's a guy watching it.
that fucking hit!
Hey, relax, buddy. You're okay.
Sorry.
Good boy.
He's not peeking in anytime soon. Oh, there's one right there.
Hey, watch out. There's a guy where I killed the guy earlier. There's a guy there again. Here, let me see if I can.
Snipers in the valley.
I hit him. No way.
Nice.
The guy behind the tree is dead. Let him go.
Oh,
Behind the bus, he's not dead. He just went left side. He just went left side. Somebody else. The big tree, the big tree. He's behind.
I'm seeing a lot of big things.
He's hit. He's hit.
hey, kid on the stairs. Kid on the stairs. Move so I can get up, okay?
Tim, please pick up a gun and start shooting.
How close? How close?
Right there in the corner.
Nade? I'm gonna try nading these kids. Oh, I blew up. Oh, sh. Dog, I can't do anything.
I know. You're good.
Dog.
Probably.
Here, watch out, watch out, watch out.
That's about it for this video. We ended up holding the prison pretty well, so that's pretty good. If you guys enjoyed, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you.
Oh! We held that!